Welcome, Pisceans, to a magical journey of imagination and intuition as we gracefully dive into 2024, a year brimming with creativity, empathy, and boundless dreams. Greetings, dreamy Pisceans. And today we're embarking on a voyage to make 2024 a year of personal growth, creativity, and spiritual enrichment for you, the most mystical of all Zodiac signs. Pisceans, your intuition is a powerful guide. This year, trust your inner voice. Let it lead you to new experiences and deeper understanding both of yourself and the world around you. Your creativity knows no bounds. In 2024, let your imagination run wild. Paint, write, dance. Express yourself in ways that bring joy to your soul and color to your life. As a compassionate soul, your relationships are deeply meaningful. This year, seek connections that nurture your spirit and allow you to share your empathetic nature with others. Growth comes in many forms. For you, Pisces, it's about evolving emotionally and spiritually. Embrace opportunities for self-discovery and inner peace this year. Life's challenges are inevitable, but your resilience is remarkable. Face any obstacles with courage and wisdom, knowing that each challenge is a chance to grow stronger. Your passions are the compass of your soul. This year, pursue what makes your heart sing. Whether it's a hobby or a career aspiration, go after it with all your heart. Lastly, remember that your path is uniquely yours. Embrace the journey that 2024 has in store for you with all its twists and turns, knowing it's leading you to wondrous places. Thank you, dear Pisceans, for joining me on this motivational journey. As you swim through the waters of 2024, remember to trust your intuition, embrace your creativity, nurture your connections, and stay true to your beautiful, mystical self. Here's to a year filled with magic, growth, and joy.